Hello friends, the world of Excel has changed a lot. If you are still working with old methods, you may be falling behind. Today, the most important thing is speed and smart work. And the solution is dynamic array functions. The best part? You no longer need to press Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter. Now, you just type a dynamic formula in one cell, press Enter, and the results automatically spill into other cells. One formula can do the work of many. Tasks like filtering large datasets, finding unique values, or sorting data are now much easier and faster. Our Dynamic Array Functions ebook helps you learn powerful tools like filter, sort, unique, vstack, and xlookup or other functions in a simple and practical way. Excel communities say these functions can reduce up to 70% of manual work. So, say goodbye to time-consuming tasks and improve your productivity. Let's make working with data easier and smarter.